Today I'm going to clean out my linen closet. This is my linen closet, which I don't use it for that purpose, but I keep other products in here. Now I'm going to take it out, organize it, and I'm going to add an additional shelf because there's wasted space at the top of the cabinet. Here's all the items I've pulled out. I'm sorting through them, then I'm going to label them. I'm going to add an additional shelf to the top once I remove these items from here to give myself additional space. Using my Dollar Tree container, I use it to give me an idea of how high I need to add the shelf. Okay, I started by putting these little pieces. They're pretty tight, but I want to make sure that they don't fall down, so I'm going to reinforce them by adding screws to it. Okay, I've put these two pieces up here and I've drilled pilot holes. So now I have to find the right screw to go in here that's not going to come out on the other side of the wall. That's pretty long, so I'm going to need a shorter screw. I got to go find some. Okay, I found the right size screw and now I'm screwing it into the wall to support the bracket or the brace. Now I'm adding the shelf, and I'm going to, of course, paint the shelf. Now the ones below that were done differently. I don't know how that was done. That was before I moved here. I'm just doing my way, the only way I know how, as the unprofessional. So as you can see here, it fits. So now I have to go and get my white paint, and before I'll, putty up the little screw holes, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint the shelf. And since I'm painting already, I'm just going to go ahead and completely paint the inside of this cabinet. I'm not going to worry about the bottom part, but this top part, I'm going to paint the entire inside of the cabinet and the doors outside. Then another thing I want to do is take those knobs off. I do have some additional knobs somewhere, but I don't know exactly where they are. They're probably still out storage in the garage. However, the ones that's on here, I'm going to take them out and spray them black and put them back on this door.